In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create user-specific content in Glide, which is a fantastic way to personalize your app for each individual. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Glide. Once there, click on the Login button. After logging in, open the specific app you want to edit. You'll notice a left side navigation panel. Click the .add button within this panel. From the options, select Users. Now in the right sidebar, choose a layout style for your user page. You can then customize this layout further if needed. It's important to add fields here such as name, email, role, or even a profile photo to gather essential user information. Next, click on Settings at the top of the screen, then select Access. Choose Private as the access level. This crucial step ensures that users must sign in before they can access your app, keeping content secure and personalized. After that, enable the Users Table option and select your designated Users Table. Make sure to confirm that the email column is properly configured, as this is often how users will be identified. Now, let's go back to the Layout section and click on your newly created user's screen. Take a moment to review the information that will be shown to each user. On the left sidebar, click Add Component and choose a component like text, collection, details, or image, depending on what you want to display. In the right sidebar, you'll configure this component, connect it to the appropriate data source, and critically, use signed-in user data whenever you want to display personalized information. Feel free to add more components as needed to create sections for profile details, personal records, tasks, projects, or announcements. Before you finish, review the visibility settings for each component. You can configure conditions if you want certain content to appear only for specific users or roles. Once you've set things up, preview your app. If you have a test user available, sign in as them to verify that the displayed content accurately matches the signed-in user. Return to the editor and double-check all your content and settings. Make any adjustments if needed, reviewing the layout and component settings, and test the navigation between screens to ensure users can only access the content intended for them. When everything looks correct, click Publish in the top right corner. Open the published app and perform a final test to be absolutely sure. Your Glide app now includes user-specific content that automatically displays personalized information based on the signed-in user. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.